Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your designs in Canva look more dynamic and professional by wrapping text around an image, kind of like what you see in magazines or blog posts, then this tutorial is exactly for you. By the end of this video, you'll know a clever way to get that wraparound effect, even though Canva doesn't have a wrap text button. So let's dive right into it. First things first, head on over to your Canva account. If you're already logged in, great. If not, take a moment to sign in. You can use Canva on your browser or through the app. Both work just fine for what we'll be doing today. Opening up Canva is like opening up your creative toolbox. Everything you need is right there at your fingertips. Next up, we're going to create a brand new design. Click that purple Create a Design button, usually up at the top right corner. Here you can choose any format you like depending on your project. Maybe it's an Instagram post, a flyer, or even a presentation slide. I'll go with an Instagram post for this example, but feel free to pick what suits your needs. By starting a new design, you're setting up your own digital canvas where all the magic is about to happen. Now let's choose a template to speed things up and add some visual interest to our work. Canva has tons of templates for just about any occasion or style. Browse through the options until you find one that fits the vibe you're going for. Don't worry too much about the exact text or images already on the template. We'll be personalizing them in a moment. Think of the template as your starting point, kind of like laying down a nice foundation before you get to the fun decorating part. Alright, once your template is in place, it's time to add the image you want to wrap text around. Click on Elements in the sidebar and search for your desired image. Maybe it's a photo, a graphic, or even your logo. Click to add it to your canvas and adjust its size and position until it looks just right. Here comes the clever bit. This is what creates that illusion of text wrapping. Select your image and look above your design space for the Edit Image button. Click it. In the effects menu that appears, find and select the Shadows option. Now there are a few different shadow styles, but for our wrap effect, we're going to choose Glow. Go ahead and click Glow. You'll notice a subtle halo appear around your image. To really make this look like the text is wrapping close to the image, let's fine-tune the glow. Click on the little settings sliders next to glow. First, change the color to match the background of your canvas. Usually that's white, but if your background is a different color, pick that instead. Then turn the size all the way up to 100. This makes the glow big enough to create a nice clear edge around your photo, almost like you're cutting it out. Now set the blur to 0. This sharpens the edge so it's not fuzzy. Finally, crank the intensity up to 100 so the border is solid and really pops. What you've just done is create a clever padding around your image. Now when you move your text boxes right up against your image, the text lines up neatly along that edge as if it's wrapping around the photo. It's a simple trick, but it works beautifully to give your Canva designs that polished editorial feel. And that's it. With these easy steps, you can make your text wrap around images in Canva and take your designs to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I love hearing from you and helping out. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more design tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!